in part one, it was all about painting the walls and installing new carpet. Welcome back, or welcome to part two of my bedroom transformation. In today's video, our attention turns towards the bed. With my recent renovations, let's just say my bed was quite dusty. So today we're dusting it and giving it a little wipe down with, my favorite mixture, a little water, Clorox, and Fabuloses for the good smell. My low-profile platform bed does not require a box spring, but that's just a little low to the ground for me. So I'm including a new box spring. Now, according to the description, you will experience a stable and secure sleeping surface that stands up to regular use, provides a lasting comfort, and it's noise-free. And I should experience a serene, restful night's sleep. Well, I will be the judge of that. And of course, I'll give you my honest review. It includes all of the screws, an Allen wrench, and the instructions. So let's see if 30 minutes or less we can set this up. Because I'm not a fan of putting anything together. Well, I am pleasantly surprised. I did this all by myself in less than 30 minutes. But of course, the supervisor was supervising. She was sitting there watching, didn't lift a finger. But anyway, you know who the supervisor is. The last step was to put on the cover. Yes, I waited 2 extra days for my mattress to arrive. Is it just me, or should the mattress and the box spring come together? Come on, companies, get it together. I'm just saying, it should just come together. I ordered a 12-inch hybrid mattress bed in a box system. It features a dual-layer design of high-density foam and responsive coils. It ensures proper spine alignment and pressure relief. The reinforced edges provide added durability, while motion isolating coils keep sleep undisturbed. With a medium firm feel, it suits all sleeping positions, making it ideal for everyone. Built to last with breathable material, this mattress offers a durable and comfortable sleep solution for years to come. Well, that's what they said, and I hope it's true. Of course, you know I'll come back with a 90-day mattress review. Let me take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And on my channel, my lifestyle channel, I love sharing home decor, cooking in my priceless kitchen, tablescapes, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. So if these are things that interest you, you know what I need you to do. Come on and join my Priceless family. Hit that subscription once, hit the bell twice, and you'll never miss a future upload. Now, I know you want to come back and see the final look and transformation of my room. So come on and subscribe right now. Listen, I was struggling to get this mattress all done by myself, but I have it done, and it says to wait at least 48 hours to let it fully inflate. But me, I'm just going to let it sit for about 4 days, and we'll be back for the final reveal real soon. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by the channel on today for a part 2 of the 3-part series of my bedroom transformation. On your way out, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you missed part 1, well, here it is right here. Until next time, stay priceless.